welcome back to week 3 of our junk drawer engineering program. Today we're going to be making something that you can use for quite some time, and it's going to be really interesting, and it works with sound. So what we're going to do is make a speaker for a smartphone or any kind of music device that has an external speaker. All you'll need is a paper towel tube, some tape, and 2 cups. You can use plastic or paper, whichever one you have. It works just fine. To start, what we're going to do is we're going to cut a small slot in the top of our paper towel tube. So, and it doesn't have to be exactly in the middle, because I'm not very good at measuring exactly in the middle. So you're just going to cut about the size of your device. So, you know, have your device handy and just make sure that it'll fit as you cut, because everyone has different sizes to their phones. You got those huge phones, you got the smaller phones. As long as it has a speaker on the bottom that is external, it should be good. So iPods aren't going to work too well, so I've got a little slit in there. I'm going to make sure that we can fit the phone inside. And this one actually needs to be expanded just a bit because it's got that life-proof case on it, or OtterBox case on it. So it needs to be a bit wider, and you can do this. It's best to cut small and then expand little by little, than cut way too big right off the bat, because you can always cut more off, but it's really hard to add more on. So there we go. See, that fits in there just like that. So we don't need that for a moment. So the hard part, and the part you might need a grown-up to help you with, is we're going to cut a small hole in the side of the cup. You want to kind of make sure that it'll fit on top of the tube. You can use a marker if you like, and honestly, the best way to do it is probably going to be to cut straight down and then cut your circle out. And again, go with the whole mantra of you can always cut more off, so cut a smaller circle than you think you need, and then you can cut a little bit off more if you need it. It's a little awkward with a plastic cup. Paper cups might work a little better as far as being able to cut without having to cut straight down through. But, let's see, we need to cut a little bit more off of the top. Make sure you clean up your mess, folks. Rooms will appreciate this. Okay, see? So it fits right on there. So we're going to do that same thing with the second cup. Cut straight down. And then cut a circle. And they don't have to be exactly the same, because this is something that you're doing more for the product, the end result, than for looks. But if you want to make it look pretty, you can always get stickers or washi tape or markers to color your speaker tube, and that could be fun, a fun way to personalize it and make it your own. Pretty sure from the last one, I know I'm going to need to trim a little bit more off. So we gotta make sure that fits. Okay, so it needs a little bit more off this side. Okay. So there we have our 2 speakers. So, one thing you can do if you have done the whole cut up the side routine like I have is I'm using painter's tape. You can use regular tape too. This is just what I had. Again, the whole point of this program is to use things that you already have available, so you don't have to go get anything. Just kind of tape it so it stays shut. And tape it so it stays kind of shut here. Line it up, make sure it's good. Doesn't have to be pretty, just needs to be together. So now we've got our 2 speakers, and I'm going to put this here and here. Let's see. So can you hear that? Now what we're going to do is put it in the speaker, and if I put it toward me because I'm wearing a headset, you can see that it's a lot. So what you'll find is that when you put your speaker in here, the sound, the speakers on most phones are out the bottom. When you put it in the tube, the sound waves are going to bounce around inside here and then are amplified. Oh no, it fell over. Out the cups. So your speakers are right here. This can be a really fun thing to put in your bedroom. Hello. Put in your bedroom and use to play music a little louder if you want to be able to do other things and be able to hear your music, or a podcast, audiobook, whatever you like. And like again, you can decorate the cups, you can decorate the tube with stickers, markers, washi tape, whatever you have on hand, and make it truly your own. And you make it as pretty as you want. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you try it, and hope you get to use it, because it's a lot of fun to listen to music or podcasts while you do whatever else you want to do. So hopefully next week we'll have our last installment and you'll join us for that. So this is Vicky signing off.